Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Здравствуй, солнце. Страница 126-127. English. Spotlight for homework. Hello, sunshine. Page number 126, 127. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 126. 126. Hello, sunshine. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Swimsuit, sunglasses, swimming trunks, jeans, boots, tent, flippers, sleeping bag. Здравствуй, солнце. Слушайте и повторяйте. Swimsuit, sunglasses, swimming trunks, jeans, boots, tent, flippers, sleeping bag. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Choose 3 things to take on an island holiday or a camping holiday in the mountains. I am going to go on an island holiday, and I am going to take. It will be sunny tomorrow. It won't be cold. Выбери 3 предмета, которые ты взял бы с собой на отдых на острове или в палатке в горах. The answer. I am going to go on an island holiday, and I am going to take my swimming trunks, my sunglasses, and my flippers. I am going to go on a camping holiday in the mountains, and I am going to take my tent, my sleeping bag, and my boots. The rule. It will be sunny tomorrow. It won't be cold. Будущее время в английском языке future simple употребляется с глаголом be. Эта форма употребляется для предсказания будущих событий. It will be. It'll be. It will not be. It won't be. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Look and say. Sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, cold, hot. London, Rome, Madrid, Paris, Athens, Moscow. Какая будет завтра погода? Посмотрите и скажите. The answer. What will the weather be like in Rome tomorrow? It'll be sunny. What will the weather be like in Madrid tomorrow? It'll be rainy. What will the weather be like in Paris tomorrow? It'll be windy. What will the weather be like in Athens tomorrow? It'll be hot. What will the weather be like in Moscow tomorrow? It'll be cold. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 127. Exercise number 4. What are mom and dad going to do? Read and say yes or no. Что собираются делать мама и папа? Прочитай и скажи yes или no. Прочитай письмо, которое написали из Рима мама и папа своим детям, Ларе и Лулу. Затем прочитай то, что написано в таблице, и реши, соответствует это тексту или нет. Dear Larry and Lulu, hope you're having a good time in Australia. We are in Italy now and having a great holiday. Rome is wonderful. Tomorrow we're going to visit the Colosseum. Then on Tuesday we're going to travel to Venice. We can't wait. It will be very hot today. Dad and I are going to swim in the pool in a while. After that, we're going to have lunch in a really nice restaurant close to the hotel. This evening, we're going to have a walk around the city and Dad is going to take some photos. There's so much to see and do here. Anyway, that's all for now. Take care and be good. We miss you. Love, Mom and Dad. The answer: they are going to visit a museum. No. They are going to travel to Venice. Yes. They are going to buy a camera. No. They are going to go for a swim. Yes. They are going to have lunch in a nice restaurant. Yes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. You are on holiday. Write a letter to a friend. Ты на каникулах. Напишите письмо другу. The answer: Dear Masha, hope you are having a good time in Napa. I am in London now and having a great holiday. London is wonderful. Tomorrow I am going to visit the Tower. Then on Saturday I am going to travel to Manchester. I can't wait. Our hotel is very nice. I'm going to swim in the pool in the morning. After that, Mom and I are going to have lunch in a really nice restaurant near the hotel. This evening, we're going to have a walk around the city, and Mom is going to take some photos. There's so much to see and do here. Anyway, that's all for now. I miss you. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Let's play. Давай поиграем. Teacher, what doesn't belong? Team A, S number 1. Rainy, sunglasses and shorts are for sunny weather. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.